Sammy and the UC Santa Cruz faculty and staff. Campus is ready for you. My name is Akira Bradley Armstrong, and I'm the Vice Chancellor of Student Affairs and Success, and I am thrilled for the new year. And on behalf of the University of California, Santa Cruz, I welcome you to campus. There's a whole community of people here ready to ensure you succeed. As you settle in, I encourage you to try new things, meet new people, and make the most of the year ahead. Welcome home, Banana Slugs.